Ye freaking ha! Still got to fix a step, hopefully I can do that today. But there's been a few people ask questions about doing these Kingpins. So I'm just going to give a little demo. Come on. Need to get that fixed. Did all the mechanical stuff this time. Cosmetic will just need to wait. Let's get it back out this side, easier, better light. Okay, in we come. So this piece here, it comes off, piece in the bottom just the same. These two wedges, take the nuts off of those, push them back, and knock the kingpin down. Jeff's got one of these with a hole cut in the middle of it that you screw in there to stop damaging the threads in case your chisel, your pinch, or whatever you want to hammer it with, slips and hits the threads. So what we do is, with the chain, you have the hoist hanging about here, just above it. This is going to look crap. Just above the kingpin, you get your hoist, maybe about the height of the engine here, and you have a chain where it's got one big loop and 3 or 4 chains hanging off of it. So take the wheel off, take these, and then take the wheel off, and then you have 2 nuts. You put the chain hook on, there, a nut on, screw it on hand tight, and then, as you can see the back, underneath this bracket here for that holds the brake chamber, hook a chain there, and you lift them. Just take the strain. Obviously your wheel's jacked up off the ground, your axle's off the ground, and you just take the strain of the spindle, the drum, and everything here, and it just slides to the side. Your steering linkages, they're obviously flexible, they move as well, so everything just slides to the side, and you do it. Clean it all up, put your new bushings in the top and the bottom, and then slide it back round into place. You know, it takes a little bit of manoeuvring, but a lot easier than stripping everything apart. And we did both of those in about 3 hours. Changed the filters and did the oil change on it yesterday. So that is that.